Are your knuckles a symphony of pops and cracks? Let's see if that's a good thing. So, what's actually happening when you crack your knuckles? Inside your joints, there's a slippery stuff called synovial fluid. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you create a little bubble in that fluid. And pop, that's the sound you hear. Now, you might have heard that cracking your knuckles can cause arthritis. But guess what? That's a myth. Studies show it doesn't cause any harm. So, your fingers aren't going to turn into arthritic claws anytime soon. However, if you feel pain when you crack your knuckles, it's probably best to ease up. Pain can be a sign that something's not right. So, go ahead and crack those knuckles if it feels good. Just remember, moderation is key. You don't want to annoy everyone around you. Keep it snappy, folks. Like this video if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more curious facts. See ya!